Hello everyone, welcome to Beginner's Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create these overlapping images using CSS. So for that, let me open my text editor. Here I have the folder name called images. Within this folder, I have the images that I'm going to use for this particular project. Now let me create an index.html file. So here I'm going to have the basic boilerplate. In the body section, I'm going to create a div with a class name called images. So here I'm going to include all the images that I have in this particular folder. For that, I'm going to use the image tag, and then I'm going to specify the name of the images. Let me save and open with my browser. Here we go. I'm sure for now you can able to see the images here. Now let me create the style sheet. First let me link the style sheet here, and then let me create the style sheet here. I'm going to name them as style.css. So here I'm going to select the class name. Here I have images. So let me set the width and height. Let me set the display property as flex direction. I want it to be column. Let me save and refresh. Okay, this is how it looked like. Now what I want to do, I want to set the overflow property. It's going to be auto. Now what I want to do, I'm going to select this class name called images. I'm going to select all the image tags, and then I'm going to set the width and height. Now let me save and run to see the result. Okay, there is nothing much here. So what I want to do them here is this. I wanted to use the flex shrink property. I wanted it to be 0. Now I want to set the position here. The position is going to be relative, and then from the left, let me say it's going to be 30%, so that it will move a bit towards the right. So let's say from top is going to be 20%, and then when I scroll, I need to have the smooth transition. So for that, I'm going to set the property as scroll behavior is going to be smooth. Then here I'm going to include the object fit. I wanted it to be a cover. Then position, I'm going to use the sticky position, and then from the top it's going to be 0. I think that's it. When I save, go there and refresh, I'm sure that now we have managed to overlap the images. This is it guys. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.